is find acceleration of the blocks A and B in the given diagram, in the given situation in the figure. So we are having two masses, 4 kg and 5 kg, and these are hanging like this. So you can see one thing here, that string is starting from this point and it is going like this down, and then it is going up, and then it is turning like this. Okay, so there is a fold, means if you see, if you take a distance from here to here, if you take suppose this distance as xb, and from here to here if you take distance xa, the total length of a string you can write is xb, this one, then xb, this one, so 2xb, xb and xb, 2xb, and then xa. So we can write 2xb plus xa equal to L. So this is a constraint relation. Now if we differentiate it, 2 dxb by dt plus dxa by dt equal to 0, or 2 vb plus va equal to 0, or 2 ab, or ab means acceleration of b and aa means acceleration of a. So you can write it like this. Okay, so you can see the acceleration of a is double of acceleration of b. Okay, but in negative direction. So this is b, this object is b. If this object is coming down or whatever, we can take the direction. Suppose this is going down with acceleration a, then 4 kg will go up with acceleration 2a. Okay, see, this is acceleration of b. Acceleration of b, if we are taking a downward, then acceleration of b must be double of this and in upward direction. So if acceleration of b is a downward, then acceleration of b is a downward, then acceleration of object a is 2a upward. Now we can write the forces. So in forces we have a tension force here, we have a tension here, and we have a tension here. Okay, so for 5 kg object, if you see, for 5 kg object or for B, there is two tensions acting upward. See, these two tensions will come through this string. So since the pulley is light, we can consider the whole as one system, and these two tensions will be acting upward on object B. So these two tensions upward and downward forces capital M. Suppose we write is capital M and this we write as small m. So we can write like this. Okay, so what we can do is, if you write the equations, it will be 2t upward minus mg. Okay, we have taken this as going downward, so we will take mg first. Since we have taken this object B is going down, we will write mg first. Mg minus 2t equal to ma. This is equation 1. Similarly, we can write for 4 kg object. For 4 kg object, if you see, only one tension is acting upward and one weight is acting downward. So one tension is acting upward and one weight is acting downward. So one weight is acting here downward, that is mg. So tension upward, mg downward. So what will happen? This object is going up, so tension will be greater in magnitude, tension is greater, minus mg will be equal to m into 2a, because acceleration is 2a. Now we can write it as equation 2. Okay, now for solving this 2, we can do this thing, 1 plus double of equation 2. This we can write. Okay, so 1 is what? Mg, and double of equation 2. So double of equation 2, this will be 2t. So 2t will get cancelled with this 2t. Mg minus small mg will be equal to capital Ma plus, this is 2ma into 2. So 2 into 2ma. So how much we are getting? We are having capital Mg minus small mg equal to a m plus 4 small m. Okay, so A is G capital M minus small m divided by capital M plus small 4m. So G is 10 and capital M is how much? 5 minus 4, and here we have okay, this will be how much? That is doubled, na? Okay, this is directly written, this is doubled, so all the things will be doubled here. So this will also be 2 mg. This is 2 mg. It is doubled, so it will be 2 mg, and it is 2, so it will be 2 into 4, so we will have so we can write it like this. It will be 2 into 4, and then we have 5 into plus 4 times of 4. So if we solve this, 10 into 3, see this will be 8 and this is 5, so minus 3, and this is 16 plus 5, 21. This is 16 plus 5, 21. So this is 7. So minus 10 by 7 we are getting meter per second square. So what does it mean? Minus 10 by 7 meter per second square means whatever direction we initially assume that 5 kg is going down, that is wrong. The 5 kg actually going up. The 5 kg is going actually up. So 5 kg block is going up with acceleration. With acceleration 10 by 7 meter per second square. The 5 kg is going up and 4 kg is going down. And what will be the acceleration of 4 kg? The 4 kg will be going down. 4 kg is going down with acceleration. See, 4 kg will have double of acceleration. So double of this with acceleration 2 into 10 by 7. So 20 by 7 meter per second square. So in this way we can write these answers.